Vegetable Gardening Made Easy by Resh Gala. This practical guide to vegetable gardening offers bite-sized solutions to common questions and problems, such as intensive planting, grow lights, direct sowing versus transplanting starts, propagating herbs, and harvesting at the right time. The author, Resh Gala, is a professional kitchen garden designer who wrote this book to give amateur home gardeners hope and encouragement when their efforts go awry. There are no hard and fast rules to gardening, she points out, and trying new things and seeking help when needed is the best response to setbacks. So many of us give up on the first attempt, she says, often saying that we don't have a green thumb. A bit of education, a bit of adventure, and some dogged determination is likely to lead to spectacular results, as it did for me, she says.